How to turn on memories and featured photos. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Photos. Now, scroll until you find Show Featured Content. Simply turn on the toggle next to Show Featured Content. Once enabled, your iPhone will display memories, featured photos, and other personalized suggestions in the Photos app based on your photo library and activity. Next, open the Photos app and tap the For You tab. Depending on your iOS version, you may also see personalized memories and featured content throughout the app. If you don't see any memories or featured photos right away, give your iPhone some time to analyze your photo library. For the best results, keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and power, especially if you've recently added a large number of photos. And that's it. You've successfully turned on memories and featured photos on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.